In this video, we are going to take a look at one of our classic homes, the Champion Homes Model 3272 Innovation. This home is a 2,432 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with lots of customizable features inside and out. All of the colors inside and outside of the home are optional as well. You can select different siding, different roofing, different dormers, different flooring, different cabinets, different countertops, different paints, different appliance packages, and many more different options. This manufactured home is not only energy efficient, but it is also very safe. Keeping your family safe is something that we here at Kentucky Dream Homes take very seriously. We install all of our homes to handle more straight line winds than your typical site-built home. For more information on manufactured homes and storms, please see our YouTube video on this very topic. As far as different options go, you can upgrade or downgrade a lot of different options to meet your budget. You can select different siding, roofing, flooring, cabinets, countertops, walls, appliances, faucets, and sinks in the kitchens and the bathrooms. There are a number of different flooring options such as laminate or tile, and there are also a number of different appliance packages available as well. You can also select different exteriors to this home. You can get this home with a different roof pitch. You can add a dormer. There are a number of different exterior features you can select or remove. Or you can choose from different siding options. If you are renting now and would like to invest in your own home and stop wasting money on rent, or if you are living in an older home and would like to upgrade to something that will save you money every month on your utility bills and maintenance costs, take a look at what a manufactured home can do for you. We have seen several cases where a customer that comes from an older home that is poorly insulated can actually save more money by buying a new home due to their extremely high utility bills. That's right, in some cases, if you have extremely high utility bills, buying a new home might just be less money than staying in that older home and wasting all of that money on high utility bills. There are also tax-saving benefits to owning your home that might also make it much more affordable for you to purchase a new home. We have a large variety of different homes at different quality and different price levels at Kentucky Dream Homes. We like to say at Kentucky Dream Homes, we have a home for everyone. We will help you find the right home for you that will also fit your budget. Due to the incredible value of manufactured and modular homes, there are nationwide lenders financing almost any credit score, and financing options in many cases are much faster and much easier on a manufactured or modular home. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. Please visit us at KentuckyDreamHomes.com or come by one of our 3 locations and walk through some of our incredible homes. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we now service 5 states, including Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, Tennessee, and Missouri. For pricing information, please call one of our 3 locations. Our location information and our phone numbers can be found on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Prices do vary a little based on each customer's location, freight, state regulations, taxes, and a few other factors. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes and for more great home tours. Also, let us know what you think about this home and what you would like to change about this home in the comments section below. We love hearing your feedback. To see more of our great home tours, just click the link on the screen now and let us help you find your dream home at Kentucky Dream Homes. We guarantee the lowest price, we are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family. Thank you for shopping at Kentucky Dream Homes.